Hey Spirit Boosters, hey Spirit Boosters, how y'all doing? Well, I'm in the kitchen giving my chicken wings that we had in the freezer a lemon salt vinegar bath. They'll be sitting in this for a while. Tenderize that meat, clean that flesh. So how many of you guys clean your meat in lemon, vinegar, or even salt? Let me know in the comments. And have you guys found any cheaper wings here lately? Because I looked online the other day, and Sam's Club frozen bag of chicken wings, you might well say $35. Pretty expensive. And my husband, he craving wings so bad, I don't know why he would want to spend that much, but I don't know, he needed to cook up some of these frozen chicken thighs, chicken legs that we have over here. We just lucky to have this small amount of chicken wings that he wants to fry up in our new single bin electric fryer. Yes, why am I telling y'all that? Because you need to know, and I don't care about sharing it. But anyway, what have you guys gotten from the store, lady? Have you, like I said, have you found, what's the price of your chicken wings in your area? Are they pretty pricey? How about the smaller packs, the ones that might got like about 6-7 pieces? And I know the whole wings, let me see, the whole wings now I seen at Sam's Club. I'm checking the prices online. They used to be what, $13-14 for that big pack of chicken wings. Now those babies, you might well say $24. Wow, look what happened. Look what happened. So they're out anyway. Somebody bought the wings up anyway. They bought them. Because I was going to get my husband a pack of those, but they're sold out in this area where we shop at. Well, how much are the chicken wings? You know, I've seen a video of somebody buying some chicken wings, and they were not that much. So, I don't know. There's some price gouging going on here, over here, allegedly, in my area. Holla. Yes, it is. But anyway, you guys, yep, this is what we have for dinner today. I'm going to, well, yeah, chicken fried, some chicken with the flats and the little drumettes from the chicken wings. That's how they came, frozen. I really prefer fresh. Wish I did have some fresh chicken around here. Ain't nothing better. Y'all like eating fresh better than frozen? I know it will be fresh, but like I said, if you can tenderize them in this vinegar, lemon, and salt, it's just as good. But I don't know, you guys. I am trying to keep this video going because I promise y'all, reading in my settings, they left a message one day in my settings. When you become martinized, yeah, I messed that word up, but I'm a martinized. You will have a new page. Like right now, you guys can't see it because you're not monetized. But when you become monetized, they got a whole bunch of reading, and they leave messages, and they left a message telling me, you will not have ads if your video is not 8 minutes. If y'all have a message like that on y'all monetized page, the people that don't mind sharing, will you please let me know what is the most minutes you have to have on your video in order to, you know, see the ads. Even if you see the ads, they telling me something different. So I don't know if everybody getting the same treatment. I do not know if people with more subscribers or people that get more views get different information. I will never know until, I want to say Miss Patty, when she get when Miss Patty or even Tiffany, when they get monetized, I sure want to know what their settings are saying about how many minutes they need to have ads. Even though I see ads running on people's videos don't even have but 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, don't have but 200-300 subscribers, and they have ads running on their channels. I don't know if you see, if you guys can see, Miss Patty, I seen ads running on your videos, and Tiffany, I seen ads running on your videos. So I don't know if you guys witnessed the ads running on your videos. You have, please let me know in the comments section. Y'all know Tiffany, her channel is sitting right there in on my community tab. Go to my home page, click on that big old word that says community, and then stroll through those shouted out channels and click on some and keep on supporting them if you do make it to their channels. Most of the folks I am shouting out are regularly loving to support you because they got the same goal to reach. So don't be shy. Don't be hesitant about it. Don't procrastinate. Get yourselves over there in my community tab and start clicking on those Spirit Boosters channels and go support them, and they will come back and support you. Miss Patty, Tiffany, even Shanna and Moonwheel, Patricia, who else is on there? That is Sushai. She alright. She just moving and stuff. She get herself situated. And let me see. Pam also, the lady, the spirit booster, one of the spirit boosters that does fantastic food pantry hauls. And I believe GQ, he'll come and live in it. You guys just let them know that I sent you. When you guys go and make friends with the channels that's being shout out, don't just act like you stumbled over there. Tell them how you got there, please. I asked you guys in the previous video to say who sent you over there, because the folks, they know me and they gonna see your name on my channel. Don't just act like you stumbled there. Let them know how you got there. Okay, that's important. And also, I don't know, I guess that's enough fussing at you guys. But yes, some of these channels that I have on the community tab, they will support if you regularly supporting them. I guess you have to share the same interests. I know you can't go where you're not interested in certain channels that do certain things that you aren't interested in. But if you are interested in grocery hauls, gardening, crafting, vlogs, I don't know, whatever fits your fancy, whatever you're interested, I guess that's how you would go about subscribing to channels, because everything ain't for everybody, and I understand that. So I'm not demanding you go and subscribe to all these channels. Just pick the ones that share your interests. That's the best thing to do, because that's what's going to keep you coming back anyway. Okay, that's how I like to do it. But some folks just definitely just would like to be supported. Yeah, I gotta show that vinegar back there. I gotta find me a scrub brush, y'all. Here I go drifting off the subject. I need to find me a scrub brush, and I need a long handle brush for the floor, and scrub around the toilet and stuff. Cause what was I gonna tell y'all? Something about knees. I was dreaming, or did I? I don't think I was dreaming. I was having the weirdest dream. I always dreaming and can't never escape the bad people. But when I do, I'll be jacking those bad people up. But anyway, crazy talk. But anyway, I know I'm older. I said, this Janita, something else. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, I was saying that if you have bad knees, the purpose of the long handle scrub brushes is because you can't stoop, you can't bend them, you can't sit on your, what do they call it, sitting on your feet, or you stooping, squatting, what do they call it, kneeling, and bending these knees. When you have arthritis in your knees, ooh, that stuff hurt like, oh, it hurts so bad. If you guys, well, I'm letting you know. But yeah, so that's the purpose of me. I don't know why that's in there. I don't know. I just be running off, carrying on, telling y'all stuff. But anyway, if y'all know where I can find a long handle, well, I know I can look on Amazon or something. But I do need that long handle, flat brush that go scrub the way I want it to scrub. And then I would like a long handle scrub brush to scrub around the base of that toilet, around the toilet. You know, fresh bathroom is so beautiful. And something to scrub like the bathtub and the shower without stooping, bending, squatting, kneeling. No, I can't do it. And that's why they had those, if y'all go in the hospital, y'all see those tall stool chairs. That's great for people with arthritis. Boy, you don't need to be squatting down no low base chair. That is so very uncomfortable. The hospital should know that and have more of those chairs around, not just in the air when you're going to see the doctor that take care of your bad knees and bones and joints. But anyway, that's enough of you talking and carrying on for me. What's going on in y'all ear? I appreciate y'all sharing y'all cares on, goings on, and what's happening in y'all area and more. Thanks for supporting this channel. And please, oh yeah, I almost forgot. Y'all know I got a new gardening channel. I'm going to put the, I just created a gardening channel so I can do all things gardening over there on that channel. This channel is going to be like prepping, grocery hauls, and stuff like that. In the word more, because it could be involving something else. But on my gardening channel, it's going to be gardening stuff. So I won't be putting any more gardening videos on this channel. So I'll leave the link to my new channel in the description box. If you're interested, please go and subscribe to my channel and just come look and subscribe anyway. You know, I need your help. I need your support. Okay, and thank you so much for the time and the support that you give me. And you spirit boosters, have a great day. Stay in survival mode, crisis mode. Keep stocking up, because the prices ain't lying, but they lying. Because this mess is getting real serious. What's going on with this war. And they dang near saying they about to be in the, allegedly they sell. What they say, World War III. Y'all be safe. Y'all be comfortable. Stay functional. Even if you are panicking and stuff, stay functional, because you can't survive if you're not functioning. Y'all heard the message? Y'all heard the tips? You all said crisis survival mode. Okay, I got to go, because I'm busy.